First you'll have to open browser, go to CDS Cloud link, then you'll have to log in using your admin or CIT account. This will be provided by your administrator. Log in first. After this, go to reports, transaction reports. Select the reports which you want. Then choose your safe or site. I'm going to choose this one. Now you'll have to choose date range from and to according to your need. After that, select on show report and Excel show report. You can also select the PDF one. Now it is processing on background and one file will be downloaded with the report, generated report. Just check download tab. Now report has already downloaded. This is the dummy one, so none of the transaction is shown here. And in this way you can download any types of report from MCloud. If it fails to download the report from the MCloud, contact your administrator so you can get help from them.